Okay, so the first thing we did is we worked with a consultant. We got together as a team and we had dialogue about what constitutes a successful job, both in scheduling and manpower issues, in customer satisfaction, in job planning. What is a successful project? We established a set of measures for that. Then we trained each one of the leads to how to report on those measures for their jobs and for their responsibilities. Then we gave them a meeting structure that allowed for the information to be disseminated. The first 20 minutes, each person gives their report uninterrupted. They have 3 minutes and they can get through the entire thing without problem. Then the second part of the meeting, the second 20 minutes, is question and answer. Each person has opportunity to ask others questions about the report to get clarification. So at the end of the day, everybody understands what's going on with everybody's job. Third part of the meeting, the third 20 minutes, they agree on what items need to be discussed as a company to better improve operation systems and procedures. So notice what that looks like. All right, let's get started. 8 o'clock. As always, I will go first and give my report. Yes, I did prepare my report prior to 8 a.m. on Monday. Report on last week's priority promises. My promises were to close out the Ross contract and get the cleaning done on Lorenzini. My promises were not met. All right, everybody, excellent reports. Now let's go into the second part of our meeting and go over questions based on those reports.
Changing your drywallers for a no-show? We've been having all our pumps lately, so it's probably time to find additional drywallers.
I'll put that down as something that we need to work on.
That'd be great.
Brad, what's the problem with the stucco guy?
Well, their price is too high. Sales didn't get a sub-bid prior to putting the contract package together for me.
Shoot, that's the same issue I have with my electrician. I think we need to talk to sales about getting us more sub bids.
I'll put that down as a list of topics to talk about, yes. Okay, that was a good job, a lot of good questions. Now let's go into the third part of the meeting where we have our team discussion based on all of those questions and see if we can find ways to improve our company system. It looks like we all want to talk with sales about getting sub bids. Okay?
Definitely, because I have an issue with my flooring. I didn't have a sub-bid, and we need to talk about that.
All right, well, basically I noticed that from all of you guys that we've been pretty lax on getting the sub-bids into the package, so I'll make a commitment that every time we pass down a production folder that we'll get the appropriate sub-bids in the package, so when we pass it down you guys will know what the price is.
Good. I'll document that in our knowledge binder.